Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video, I will tell you how you can update Gmail application on iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, write comments, and also be sure to put your likes under this video. And let's get down to our topic for today. And in order to update the Gmail app, you'll need to go to the App Store, And then down here on the bottom right-hand side, go to Search. And of course, at the top, you'll see Gmail. When you find that app, click on it, and you'll have, as I did, the word Update. Click on it, and as you can see, in just a second, it will instantly start the process of updating this app. And it will also tell you how long you have to wait for the update. After this app finishes updating, you can easily open it either through the App Store or from your desktop and use the app as you are using it. No data will be lost. You don't have to worry about that. This is how you can update the Gmail app on your iPhone in a very quick and easy way. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write comments, put your likes, and see you soon.